An often overlooked part of people's investing adventures is they get excited, they do the analysis on companies, they buy the stock or the shares with expectations of making a profit and grabbing dividends. They tuck it away in the portfolio, and that's it. They may take a look at it, say, once a week, twice a week, once a month, but the value of stocks and shares can move within seconds. And if you're not constantly watching the performance of your portfolio, you can easily lose lots and lots of money. So, what I suggest you do is set up an order using my AstraZeneca example. We're going to set up a sell stop limit order. I have zero point 0.2 shares held, and the thinking behind this is the value of my holding at the moment is 6.4% more than I initially paid for it. So if the value of my holding does reduce by 4%, an order will go to market to put my holding out for sale. And as long as I get a minimum of less than 5% of the current value, they will be sold. And that way I've protected my investment, and we're still coming out making 1% profit. So I will show you real time how to set this up using the Trading 212 app, but this principle works on most portfolio holdings depending on what platform you have. So you go to sell, the number of shares is 0.2, and I'm going to go for a stop limit order, and I'm going to put the stop in. The stop price is the current price that converts your order to a limit order. So if the price reduces from the current price of 102.44 to less than 4% to a minus 4%, which is 9834, an order will go out to market. So I put the figure in 9834, done. Then I'll set up the minimum price I'm willing to get per share. So as long as I get no less than minus 5% of the current holding, my holding will be sold, and the price of the stock based on less 5% of today's value is 9731. So if I put that in 9731, done. Then you got the expiration. Do the instruction hold until you cancel it, or there's an option at the end of the day. So I go for never. So it's set up permanently unless I go back in and cancel it, or the actual holding is sold if it does fall in value to what I said. So go to review order, and we've got this nicely set up. It says AstraZeneca, order type, stop limit, sell, number of shares 0.2, which is my total holding. The total value at the moment is 1946. The stop price, this is the price that if the value of the shares fall to, an order will go out to market, and as long as I get this price per share, I will be happy, which equates to less than 5% of the current holding, which still gives me a 1% profit. And so I do send order, and the order has been sent. And if we look pending orders, it's all set up ready. So this is something you must take the time to do. I must confess I hadn't done, but now with all my holdings I have got stop limit orders set up, so I know for sure the maximum I will lose if the market or the prices do turn down. Another way of managing my holding is I have an ETF, exchange traded fund, Vanguard 1, which I will show you, USD FD treasury bonds, where they invest in a very secure investment, and that's the United States loans, which are actually an investment where you're paid an interest. So if we look at the history, the reason I'm holding this investment is for nice dividend payouts, and I get a dividend payout every month. I've got £100 holding approximately. Last payment was the 25th of October 2023. We're now in November. That's 28 pence. September 27 pence. August 33 pence. 25 pence in July, and so forth. So that's based on £100, but if you had £1,000, you can obviously multiply that 28 pence up to say £2.80 a month. So there's a nice regular passive income payments that you can either reinvest or take out as an income, and you must bear in mind you've still got your holdings. So this is a nice long-term passive investment. So I don't really need to monitor this one. All I've got to, go into history and check my dividend payments. I will accept the fact that the value of my holdings do go up and down. My value of the holding is down 4.9%, but over a period of time you will see they do go up and down. So the reasoning behind me holding this particular asset is for passive income, so I don't need to worry about selling it. I just hang on to it and take a nice income. So there's two things you should do. Always set up a stop limit on every holding you have, unless it's a one where you're looking for passive income. I hope you found this interesting. Till next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.